Hello everyone, have you ever wondered why some companies have customers who stay for years while others lose them after a single bad experience? The answer often lies not in what they sell, but how they serve. ISO 10001 plays a huge role in transforming how companies handle customers, ensuring consistency, trust, and satisfaction. Welcome to TNV Academy, where we simplify international standards for real business success. In this session, we will explore how ISO 10001 transformed customer experience. You will discover how this standard helps organizations move from handling complaints to creating loyal, happy customers. Now, understanding ISO 10001, the foundation of customer experience. ISO 10001 is part of the ISO 10000 family of customer satisfaction standards. It focuses on customer satisfaction through codes of conduct. In simple words, it helps organizations define and communicate clear promises to customers and then make sure they keep those promises. For example, if a company commits to responding to every complaint within 24 hours, ISO 10001 ensures this commitment is written, measured, and monitored. It turns casual promises into structured, trackable commitments. This means customers get consistent service, employees know what is expected, and the brand earns long-term trust. ISO 10001 is not just about documentation. It is about transforming customer service into a system of honesty, respect, and reliability. Now, why customer experience is the new competitive edge? Today, customers don't stay loyal to products. They stay loyal to experiences. A single negative interaction can push them toward your competitor. Studies show that over 80% of customers are willing to pay more for the better experience. This is exactly where ISO 10001 comes in. It helps businesses create a transparent and fair relationship with customers. By following a code of conduct, companies can manage expectations, reduce misunderstandings, and build trust. When customers consistently receive what they were promised, they start believing in the brand's integrity. The biggest advantage of ISO 10001 is consistency, because customer experience must be the same whether the customer interacts online, by phone, or in person. Before and after ISO 10001, a transformation story. Let's imagine an electronics company. Before implementing ISO 10001, they had multiple customer complaints, delayed responses, and poor follow-ups. Employees didn't even know what commitments were made to customers. The result? Lost customers and a damaged reputation. After adopting ISO 10001, everything changed. They created a customer code of conduct, trained their staff to follow it, and reviewed their performance regularly. Within 6 months, their customer satisfaction score improved by 40%. Online ratings increased and referrals doubled. This transformation happened because ISO 10001 turned random customer service into a structured customer care system. Now let's talk about the internal benefits, how employees and systems improve. While ISO 10001 focuses on customers, it also transforms employees. Where team members know exactly what promises are made to customers, they work with greater clarity and purpose. Employees start taking ownership of service quality because they understand the organization's promise. Departments begin collaborating instead of blaming each other. This internal harmony improves productivity and reduces conflicts. The future of customer experience with ISO 10001. In today's digital world, customers expect instant responses and personalized service. The future of ISO 10001 lies in integrating it with technology, like digital feedback tools, AI-based service monitoring, and real-time response tracking. However, technology is only a tool. If the foundation of trust and ethics is missing, even the most advanced tools can't save a business. ISO 10001 ensures that human values, honesty, respect, and empathy remain at the heart of every interaction. In the future, companies that blend ISO 10001 principles with smart technology will lead the customer satisfaction revolution. So now we can say that ISO 10001 is about respecting the customer. It is about turning promises into actions and actions into loyalty. Companies that implement this standard don't just serve customers, they create relationships. ISO 10001 transforms organizations from being reactive to proactive. Instead of waiting for complaints, they start preventing dissatisfaction. Instead of chasing sales, they start building trust that sells itself. So, if your goal is to elevate customer experience, start with ISO 10001. It is not just about passing audits, it is about creating a culture where every promise counts and every customer matters. Thank you for watching TNB Academy. If you found this session helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more ISO insights.